In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Squarespace website as PDF. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to turn any page on your Squarespace site into a clean, shareable PDF using the print feature built right into your browser. First, log into your Squarespace account. Any modern browser will work, and you'll need to be signed in with a role that can view the pages you want to export. Give the editor a moment to fully load. Letting images and fonts finish rendering helps the PDF come out crisp and accurate. Next, open your Squarespace website and head to the exact page you want to save. Remember, you're saving the page you're currently viewing, so repeat these steps for each page you need. If your page has expandable sections, accordions, or tabs, open the parts you want visible before you proceed so they're captured in the PDF. Also note that interactive elements like video players won't play in a PDF. You'll get static thumbnails or placeholders instead. Now open the print dialog. On Windows, press Ctrl plus P. On Mac, press Command plus P. You can also use your browser's menu to find the print option if you prefer. A preview window will appear showing how the page will break across pages. In the print dialog, find the destination or printer dropdown and select Save as PDF. This tells your browser you want a PDF file instead of sending the page to a physical printer. Before you save, take a moment to fine-tune the settings. Choose your paper size, such as letter or A4, based on where the PDF will be used. Pick an orientation, portrait for most standard pages, or landscape if your layout is wide. Adjust margins and scale so no content is cut off. If your design relies on background colors or images, enable background graphics so your PDF matches your site's look. You can also toggle headers and footers if you don't want the date, URL, or page numbers added by the browser. Use the live preview to check for odd page breaks and tweak settings until everything looks right. When you're happy with the preview, click Save or Print, depending on the label your browser uses. You'll be prompted to choose where to store the file and what to name it. Pick a clear file name, something like sitepagetitle.pdf, so you can find it later, then confirm to save. That's it. You're logged in, viewing the page you want, using the browser's print dialog to select Save as PDF, adjusting layout settings, and saving with a clear name in your chosen folder. Now you can easily share, archive, or print a polished copy of any Squarespace page.